in question number 1, that is called amalgamation of firm. So question number 1, amalgamation of firm. First we have done the purchase consideration. Second we have done in the books of Prem and Company, Reliance account, partners capital account, new firm. Again we have done in the books of Rajan Company, Reliance account, partners capital account and new firm. Now we have to prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet in the books of new firm. So balance sheet at the year ending in the books of new firm. So we know that balance sheet format very well. So very simple format and very simple after preparing the all ledger account. Now this is the balance sheet. We know this is a left hand side, liability side, rupees, asset sides and rupees. So first we will do the left hand side, that is called capital. Now this is a capital we have to write. Now which capital we have to write? We have to write a new capital. See we have done in the books of Prem and Company, Reliance account profit transfer to partners capital. In partners capital, whatever the balance we got, that balance we have to write here. That balance we have to write here. So first we have Prem. We have Prem. How much Prem we got amount? 14,850. So this is new capital. This is not a old capital. This is new capital. Prem. After Prem we have the Anil. Anil also 14,850. This is we have done calculation in the books of Prem, Reliance account, partners capital account, new firm. In partners capital account, whatever the balance we got, this balance we have to write here, because these are the partner, this capital will be invest this money in the new firm. After that we have the Raj. See the Raj का balance कितना था? 25,650 Raj का balance. After that we have Sham balance. Sham balance we have balance 19,650. This we already done calculation of 1, 2, 3, 4. So from that we transfer here. So we have the creditors. Now creditors we have, see the PC में हम लोगों ने क्रेडिटर्स का टोटल लिया हुआ है. कितना PC क्रेडिट का है? 9,000. 5,000 plus 4,000, 9,000. After that bills payable. Bills payable. Both company we got 8,000 total. 8,000 total. So in this way we have completed the liability side. So see the once again, Prem you have to take the new capital. Anil you have to take new capital. Raj you have to take new capital, and Sham you have to new. All this figure we will get in the ledger account. We prepare the ledger account in the books of Prem, in the books of Raj. उसका जो capital का balance है, that you transfer here. Now I said, see the PC. We have already taken in PC total of the all asset, goodwill. 10,000 plus 15,000 कितना था? 25,000. See the adjustment is given. 10,000 plus 15,000. Total मिला का कितना था? 25,000. So they bought premises. See the premises. 1 का था, 1 का नहीं था. So total 10,000. After that computer. एक में था, एक में नहीं था. So total computer how much? 12,000. This total we already taken from the PC. PC के fourth column में हमने total बनाया था. That total we have to take here. So computer के बाद inventory. Inventory means stock. दोनों का प्लस करके कितना मिलेगा? 17,000. वी हैव डेटर्स दोनों का मिला के कितना था? 6,000 प्लस 14,000, 20,000. उसमें RDD कितना था? 5%. सो लेस RDD 5%. सो 5% ऑन 20,000 you will get 1,000. So outer column 19,000. 20,000 उसके ऊपर 5%, So we will get a 1000. So 20,000 minus 1000, we will get 19,000. 5 2s are 10, 0 0 cancel. So we will get 1000. After that we have bank. दोनों का total देखो, bank 6,000. See the PC amount. After that cash. दोनों का total देखो कितना था? 3,000. So this is nothing but total of the both company. So in this way we have to do the balance sheet, and this balance should be tally. If you take the total 25 plus 10, 12 plus 17 plus 19 plus 6 plus 3, so you will get a 92,000. So here also you will get the 14,850 plus 14,850 plus 25,650 plus 19,650 plus 9,000 plus 8,000, you will get 92,000 total. So in this way we have to prepare the balance sheet in the books of new firm. New firm balance sheet. In the books of new firm balance sheet as on 31st March 21. So in this way we have to tally the amount. So all the best for your exam. Thank you.